You're hitting the gym, lifting hard, pushing your limits. So why aren't you seeing real muscle growth? You train like a beast, but your muscles don't look the part. Sound familiar? That's because building muscle isn't just about lifting weights. It's about avoiding the daily mistakes that secretly sabotage your progress. And trust me, most guys are making at least one of these. If you're serious about packing on size, getting stronger, and actually seeing results, listen up. These 5 muscle-killing mistakes are holding you back, and today we're tearing them down one by one. Fix them, and your gains will skyrocket. And one more thing. If joint pain is slowing you down, wrecking your lifts, or making you skip workouts, I've got something that will help. It's called Flexomore, a powerful supplement designed to support healthy joints and keep you training pain-free. The link's in the description. Check it out after this video. Now let's get into it. Mistake number 1, ignoring progressive overload. You see that guy in the gym lifting the same weight, doing the same reps week after week? That's muscle growth on pause. Your body adapts fast, and if you're not forcing it to grow by increasing the challenge, you're wasting time. This is where progressive overload comes in. It's simple. If you're not lifting heavier, doing more reps, or increasing intensity over time, you're not growing. Your muscles need a reason to get bigger and stronger. That means tracking your lifts and pushing past your comfort zone. If you benched 185 pounds for 8 reps last week, aim for 9 this week. Struggle, grind, force your muscles to evolve. And if joint pain is holding you back from pushing heavier, that's a problem. Stronger muscles mean stronger joints, but if yours are already aching, you need to take care of them. That's where Flexomore comes in. It helps keep your joints healthy so you can keep lifting heavier and growing stronger. The link is in the description. Don't let pain stop your progress. Mistake number 2, undereating or eating like trash. Muscle isn't built in the gym. It's built in the kitchen. If you're not eating enough, your body has nothing to grow with. And if you're eating garbage, you're just fueling fat, not muscle. Protein is king. Aim for at least 1 gram per pound of body weight every day. That's not optional. If you're 180 pounds, that's 180 grams of protein daily. No excuses. Spread it out. Chicken, eggs, steak, fish, protein shakes, whatever it takes. And carbs? They're not the enemy. They fuel your workouts and help you recover. The trick is choosing the right ones. Rice, oats, potatoes, not junk food. If your energy is crashing mid-workout, it's a sign you're fueling wrong. If you're eating right but still feeling beat up, weak, or dealing with nagging pains, your joints might need some extra help. Don't ignore it. Joint health is everything if you want to stay in the game long-term. That's why I recommend Flexomore, a game changer for anyone serious about training. Grab yours from the link in the description. What's next? Mistake number 3, not prioritizing recovery. Listen, muscle isn't built while you train. It's built when you recover. But if you're hammering your body with back-to-back intense workouts, barely sleeping, and living on stress, you're not growing. You're breaking down. Worse, your testosterone levels are taking a nosedive, and without testosterone, muscle growth is nearly impossible. Think about it. Your body needs time to rebuild those torn-down muscle fibers stronger than before. That means at least 7 to 9 hours of solid sleep per night. Not that scrolling on your phone until 2 a.m. kind of sleep. I mean real, deep, muscle-repairing sleep. This is where your testosterone spikes, growth hormone kicks in, and your body actually builds size. Not sleeping enough? Expect weaker lifts, slower recovery, and stalled progress. And if you wake up with stiff joints or soreness that won't go away, your body is screaming for better recovery. That's where Flexomore can help. It supports joint health and mobility, so your body stays strong and pain-free. Want to train harder without feeling wrecked? The link's in the description. Go grab yours now. Mistake number 4, doing too much cardio. Look, cardio has its place. It's great for heart health, endurance, and staying lean. But too much of it? That's a muscle killer. If you're spending hours running on a treadmill every week, you're burning through the calories and muscle you need for growth. Your body sees excessive cardio as a survival situation. It prioritizes energy efficiency over muscle building. That means less muscle protein synthesis, more cortisol, the stress hormone that eats away at gains, and a harder time recovering from your lifting sessions. Now, I'm not saying ditch cardio completely. Just be smart about it. Stick to short, intense sessions. Think sprints, height, or even incline walking. Keep it under 30 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week, and let your body focus on what you really want, bigger, stronger muscles. And if you're feeling drained, worn out, or like your joints can't handle the workload, it's time to recover smarter. Flexamore helps keep your joints in top shape, so you can train at your best without feeling broken down. Check it out in the description below. Mistake number 5, inconsistency, the ultimate muscle killer. Let's be real. Most guys don't stick to a plan long enough to see real results. They start strong, hit the gym hard for a few weeks, and then, boom, life gets in the way. They skip workouts, slack on their diet, stop tracking progress, and wonder why they're not growing. Sound familiar? Muscle growth isn't magic, it's repetition. It's showing up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. It's eating enough protein every single day, even when you're busy. It's lifting with intensity every single day, not just when you feel motivated. And here's the hard truth. If you're inconsistent, you will never build the body you want. There's no way around it. You can have the best workout plan, the perfect diet, and the strongest mindset. But if you don't stick with it, it means nothing. So here's what you need to do. Commit. Pick a program, follow it, track your progress, and refuse to quit. It's not about perfection, it's about showing up. And when things get tough, when your joints start aching, when recovery slows down, when your body feels beaten up, you need the right tools to keep pushing forward. That's why I recommend Flexamore. It helps protect your joints, keeps inflammation down, and lets you stay consistent in your training. You'll find the link in the description. Grab it and keep your body running strong. Building muscle and getting stronger isn't complicated, but most guys fail because they make these daily mistakes. They train the same way for months with no progression. They eat like amateurs. They sleep too little and do too much cardio. And worst of all, they quit before they even see results. You're different. You've made it this far because you're serious about building a stronger, more powerful body. Now it's time to take action. Fix these mistakes, train smarter, fuel your body right, and stay consistent. And before you go, let's get this engagement up. Drop a comment below with your biggest struggle in building muscle. Are you stuck on a plateau, struggling with nutrition? Let me know. I read every comment. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And if you're ready to take your training to the next level without letting joint pain slow you down, grab your bottle of Flexamore from the link in the description. Fuel your body, train hard, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.